Here with the mad scientist Jay Duca, another one of his Summernats builds. This might be the most last-minute one you've done to date, correct?
Yeah, it's been the hardest slog, this one, for sure.
So what are we looking at? LX Torana hatch, but not really, because as soon as you pop the engine bay, there's different strut towers, different engine.
Yeah.
Tell us what we got going on.
Yeah, it started life as a factory V8 manual LX Torana hatch. And
Excellent.
Its life now is a diesel 180SX floored. Still an LX Torana hatch, believe it or not. But yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's great. How long has this build been going on for proper? A month?
Proper, probably like 7 to 8 weeks, you know. So 7 weeks ago, we had no quarters on it. It was a proper, like, you know, shell. So, yeah.
We were having a discussion this time last year at Summernats. Who inspired you to do this? There was a car I think you took a bit of inspiration from.
I love Heath's car. You know, Street Machine of the Year. I know Heath. I've slept with Heath. Like he stayed in the same room with me. So his car's a big inspiration. And for me, just seeing them. I was a trolley pusher when I was 17 and my boss had a Torana, flares, drop tank, the kit. I remember being a kid and the tyres seemed like they were this big, you know. So just something I've been around forever and I've always loved the style, the flares, the lip, the wing. You know, I guess it's JDM style or vice versa. JDM copied Aussie, who knows?
Yeah. So you did your VL last year, you know, that had the rotary in it, and you said that you kind of used that car as a bit of a basis to get that engine in something, because you wanted to use that engine.
Yeah.
The Mercedes OM606, that's what's in this. Is that part of the reason with this? You always wanted to play with that engine too?
Look, I've had the engine for years. I love experimenting with engines. I love the learning of a new engine platform. I love driving them. I love everything about it. And typically I have a lot of motors. I'll get a car and an idea, and then I'm like, that's the motor for it, you know. It falls together like that, so yeah.
Now our good mate Gus, Paul Cronin, has told us that the floor sits lower than the transpan on this.
Oh yeah, the floor is like, you hear me scraping, which is everywhere. It's just the floor, all is good.
Yeah. Minimum clearance about 40 mil, I think.
Yeah, minimum clearance on a good day. The front's probably sunk a bit, so we're probably dealing with 30. My lip's about 25 off the ground, and it's static, and it's not great.
Did you get a chance to tune this before you came in?
No, it was previously tuned, so it's already made 600 horsepower. 60 pounds, 900 newton meters, so we did plan on turning it up this weekend, try and make 750 out of it, but the car's just got way too many loose ends. It's just not ready, so.
That's fair. Because I know you did say to me last year, I want to do Skid Row, white tyre smoke, black diesel smoke. Might not see that this time.
The dream's not going to happen, but the dream just become to just be here. So to be here, parked in this spot, I'm good. There's no letdown from here.
So when the dust has settled a bit, and I assume you have a little bit of time off, what's the long-term thing for this car? Drift car, street car?
Yeah, it's a drift car. So you'll see this thing doing 180 sideways soon. So same deal. It'll be black out the top and white out the back and a big smile sideways. So
there you have it. Genuine LX Torana V8 hatch, S13 front, S13 rear, IRS, IFS, diesel, Mercedes. It's all happening.
Yeah, it's got 8-speed. It's got BMW bonnet hinges. It's got Mercedes engine. It's just bits I like. It's got to be bits you like. For me, some of it's on the records, some of it's stuff I've collected up. And
apparently people hate the wheels.
They hate the wheels, they hate the tyre stretch, they hate the camber, they hate the engine combo, hate the tunnel, they hate the colour, they hate it all.
And yet here we are loving it. This is my favourite Torana in the world. I'm just so glad you've done it. I'm so glad everyone hates it, and then there are people that love it. It's just, they can't all be 20 foot off the ground with Simmons, all right? They've got to be something different.
I just want people to appreciate the effort. You don't have to love the style, love the build, but if you were to see what me and my mates had to just do and what I sacrificed with my wife and my kids and like everything, your arms aren't scratched up at least for fun, you know. It's like just big push. And the last owner, who had it for 33 years, had brought it to a resto shop. It didn't go well. He lost all his money. He's in ill health, and his lifetime dream was taking the Summernats. So when I got this car off him nearly for nothing, he's like, I just want to see this car go to Summernats in my lifetime, you know. So it's as much about Andrew, this car, as it is for me. So him seeing this, him seeing that photo on the internet, he would come see it every week. He'd just come and check on it, and he'd be like, man, So it's a very important car to so many. So
absolutely. What was the hardest part? Because everything is one-off with this, you know. Doing what you've done, no one's done it before. So was it all just as challenging as itself, or was there any particular roadblocks?
Weirdly, the bonnet was the hardest part, because you're dealing with a bonnet. It just does normal bonnet things, but all of a sudden you've got BMW bonnet hinges. You need to clear an exhaust stack. You need to clear a turbo. Now I've got strut towers. We have to clear the strut towers. So I've put 3 18-hour days into the bonnet.
Well, we really appreciate that you've made it, mate, and please check out Low Standard's YouTube channel to see how much went into this car. It's not a plug to get J views, I'm glad that it will.
Yeah.
But if you want to get an idea of how much metal work is in this thing, you have to go and watch it. It's just incredible stuff, isn't
look,
it?
And I appreciate you guys and the general public, because your reaction and all these people that are just like, you can do it, we got you, come on, man, it's huge. They might not see how big that is, but man, sometimes you're freaking down, and it's like, it's what you need, so.
Awesome. Well, congratulations, mate. I'm glad you've made it. Maybe a day later than you wanted, but you're here.
Yeah, I'm here.
The reception's amazing, and you can enjoy yourself
soaking
now.
it up. Yeah, I get to see all the beautiful builds here, so I'm happy as.